Hello. We're going to go through the lesson today. That's honors. That's Mrs. Star. Hello, this is a recording of today's lesson. Welcome to week 2, B-Day, August 24th. Hello, students, and welcome to our ALAR class. Make sure if you were absent today to click here and complete the Google form. That way I can know if you were absent and give you credit. The learning targets today, you can write a summary about the nonfiction article, Tutors Teach Seniors High-Tech Tricks, and you will use a T-chart to compare two stories. Remember that last week we read the story Grounded? So you'll remember that when you use the T-chart. This is today's warm-up. In your notebook, you should have two sections. One is warm-ups and one is daily work or classwork. Today we will write about this idea. How does learning something from someone else create a bonding experience? Today your classmates talked about what does it mean to bond with someone. It means to form an attachment, to create a memory, to create a good feeling of accomplishment together. And this bonding will turn into memories, and memories will stay in your heart for a lifetime. So it's really a positive thing to bond with somebody when you're learning. And you should be able to write about this about a half page in your notebook. The notebook will be at home, and I check classroom participation, making sure it's done. The assignment today is posted in Google Classroom. You'll be able to open up the link, read it out loud. It has an audio option. And there are ways to annotate. As you read this story, think about how it's similar or different to Grounded. This story is a nonfiction article, so it's a real life event, and it's very relevant to today. After you're done reading that assignment through your Google Classroom, you will then turn to the classwork section of your notebook and create a T-chart. In your T-chart, you should be able to note 3 things in each column that you observe are different or similar, mostly different from each other. But the most important thing to write about is who is learning from whom in both stories. Grounded is an interesting situation, and the story with seniors is also very unique. So I would want you to be able to make sure you understand that and can write about it in your T-chart. That was the lesson today. We did a warm-up, we did an icebreaker, we talked about things that you've discovered about yourself, but students were able to write about it. There's one more thing. In Google Classroom, you can write, you will need to write a summary using the strategy somebody wanted but so then to summarize the seniors tech story. No more than 6 sentences, but you don't want it to make it 2 sentences either. So do a good job with that and turn it in. That's going to be one of your grades. Next time we meet, we'll meet on Wednesday, August 26th. I want to start the class with a little bit of sustained silent reading. So whether it's digital or a hard copy, please be prepared to do that on Wednesday. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, just reach out through Google Classroom. Thank you. Bye-bye.